Oh, what's up guys? Got a high intensity workout for you. I want you to go 3 rounds. So only 2 different movements, so it's super simple. Option number 1 is gonna be a harder variation. You got a devil press, 10 and 12. So devil press, push up, get in this nice athletic stance, squeeze your butt, and then punch it up. You go 10 there, and then go into 12 pike push-ups, shifting forward. Repeat that 3 sets as quickly as you can. Take a 5-minute break and then do that again. Option number 2 is to crank out 12 or 10 push-ups with a little deficit. 10 push-ups. Swing your feet through, still getting a good shoulder variation. Elbows come together. 12 shoulder press. As you can tell, I'm out of breath. That's a good high intensity interval training workout. Give it a try and get after it.